What's up, everybody? Denzelifornia, whatever you want to call me. This is going to be a vlog about my hair, because I'm like, let me see if I can focus on time. Getting a little line up down. So, get my hair done tomorrow, and line myself up tomorrow, but this video is going to be me doing an extra tape around my hair like I used to have it before I cut it. So, well, let me take out my hair. So what I'm gonna do to try to somewhat even it is I'm gonna cut off 4 and I'm gonna taper them. So this one, for sure, that one gotta go because that's like super thin. Alright, let me see. So yeah, that one gotta go. I may take off or cut it. Where's it at? This one. Because this one's 2. Look at that. Let's just rip that off. So yeah, that one gotta go. Because the whole point is this is gonna be all gone. I hate my camera so much. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this off. Probably this one too. Because it's super thin anyway, and it's 2 locks. By a lady I don't let do my hair no more. Because these were just tied. And let me see if I can focus on the back. So as you see, my hair is whooped. So what I'm gonna do, I gotta switch hands. Bruh. So I'm gonna take off that one, cause that's just a mess and it's like just an afro. So that one gotta go. Super thin, can't even see it. Super thin and scraggly. And I can't even see that. Take off that one. One of the ones on the corner. Because it's just an afro. Let me see if you can see. You can't even see, I just look stupid. But, because this is 3. Yeah, that gotta go. So, and I do my own lineups, blah, blah, blah. So the whole video tonight is gonna be me doing an extra taper. Because as you see, I live on Sesame Street. And I'm gonna try to even it out before eventually just cutting my hair again. Because this is, in 2 months it'll be 5 years of regrowth. Because I cut my hair all off and I've been growing it back ever since. I cut my hair, I think I was growing my hair for 8.5 years and then I cut it in 2015. So 14 to 22 I had hair. Then I cut it. My math is probably wrong, but yeah. So stay tuned. I'm in the 2nd stage of it. I cut off. As you can see, it looks bad. It looks really bad. But I'm gonna bring it back. But I'm not gonna line myself up all the way. I'm just gonna get the taper right. So then when I get my hair done tomorrow, I'm gonna come back home after work. Then I'm gonna line myself up. Actually, just to prove my point, and these, it used to be 4 separate locks, but it's 2 locks connected to 2. I don't even got my light on. There. Now you can see it. Clear right here. So yeah, as you can see, it's 4 locks, but they were tied in a knot, right? Instead of like crocheting them or anything, they were tied in a knot. So yeah, they gotta go. I'll be back. Alright, so here's another update. Let's take you around. Hopefully it's focusing on my hair. Probably not. So that's all that I'm gonna cut off. And I'm gonna try to make it work. Update. Let me focus. Let me flip my back camera around so I can see it. Alright. Get y'all some little something. You probably couldn't even see nothing. Yeah, it looks rough, but I'm digging it. I'm gonna make it work. Alright. Yeah, side profile. And I'm about to hop in the shower. And then tomorrow, after work, I'm gonna get my hair done. Then I'm gonna come back home and get my little. Welcome to my OnlyFans shower edition. Freshly out. Mind you, I'm not lined up, but I still got the little taper on. Bird's nest. But yeah, this is grab my hair. Let's see it. You can barely see it. Oh, my camera is foggy. That is me breathing. Clean taper. Clean. Ooh. That's just the baby hair. So cool. Now it's not foggy anymore. So I'm pretty sure y'all can hear my fan because I'm fat. Clearly breast. But yeah, I'm coming back tomorrow after work and it's already, I was trying to go to work at 4. Never gonna happen. Because Mecca left. That's why. Mecca, if you ever watch this, it's your fault. I will never go at that time. But it's 10:33. I'm trying to at least get to work about 4:30, so my 8 hours could be 1 o'clock when my appointment is, and I'll probably just leave 30 minutes early. Just make it a Sunday. Alright, so I'm in the middle of my hair appointment, but you can't even fucking hear me. I'm in the middle of my hair appointment, and as you see, getting it done, but I'm out to pay my car meter to make sure I don't get no ticket because I'm in downtown Oakland. And yeah. Yo, whip nice, bro. You gotta appreciate people. But can I flip this camera? Hold on. This is my whip. And I'm gonna go pay them. I don't know if you can see the color. You can barely see the color. But she just did the second phase of it. Then I gotta go under the heater, and then she gonna retwist me. And yeah, then I'm gonna go home and line myself up because my line's fucked up. Ooh, super, bruh. Got that drop top with the fade on it. So yeah. This is on, I know I'm finna be on Telegraph, so 19th and Telegraph. This is what, oh shit. This is in Oakland, California. But that one's gonna be my favorite piece. There ain't nothing on this side. Alright, it's pretty dark. Just gotta finish. So, gotta turn this on. Little song. What's up, everybody? Just got home. Hair's done, but I'm actually mad about my hair. I ain't even gonna hold you. But let me go to the bathroom so you can see. So I told her I want all my tips dark blue, right? So this side's cool, you know? 2-strand twist is kind of cool. Then I get to this side, and I'm like, bruh, did you run out? It's like hints of teal, because I seen her with one bottle, and then I seen her with another bottle. But this was before she started my hair. So I'm like, bro, did you run out? But I'm kind of like, you get what you pay for. I paid $120 for the retwist. I still gotta line myself up. But other than that, looks pretty fly and simple. I may go with a super brighter color for the tips next time, in a month. Yeah. Let's see if you can get the bag. Oh yeah. And she took out one of my Locs too. But I'm finna eat first. So we went to El Taquito. Got a taco salad. And then I'm gonna do my hair. But on top of that, I got a bunch of packages from, let's see, Amazon, Etsy, Denzel. So I got 5 packages. So I guess we're gonna do a little razzle dazzle on this, either this video or another video. So this is just a quick intermission video. I haven't lined myself up or anything yet, so bear with me. I don't want my light to hit my fan. But this is what was in those Amazon packages. This bad boy right here. Sith Academy. Got that. Got this. Oh my god, I need to focus. Oh, my camera focuses. It says I shoot people, and it has a camera. Put that on my back windshield. And I got another one of these because they have to repaint my trunk and take it apart because of the accident. Gonna line myself up soon. Alright, so the lineup begins. Got my clippers ready. Do it myself. Stay tuned. This is the final result. Let me zoom on real quick on the little field down. Give it a little panoramic. Panoramic, goddammit. It's hot in here, so I'm sweating. Ooh, why are you focusing on my ball spot? Fresh taper. You did my little brows. I ain't did my brows like that in forever. We gonna get the back. Pause. Let me get this side because I can see more. Oh yeah, see the little blue? Just a wee bit. Bro, I want this camera focused. Alright, go to this side. Cause I don't know if I can see. Alright. And it's a little teal in my hair on this side. It's a little teal. A little bit of blue. I don't know, it's annoying. But we're gonna fix that in about a month. Thank you all for watching. Until next time. Don't have an outro or intro. So